Hello everyone. Welcome back to our multiple choice question video on Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill was introduced in Rajya Sabha on which date? Answer: the 5th of August 2019. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill was introduced in Lok Sabha on which date? Answer: the 6th of August 2019. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill was signed by the President of India on which date? Answer: the 9th of August 2019. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill became law on which date? Answer: the 9th of August 2019, after it was signed by the President of India. Name the President who signed the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019. Answer: Ramnath Kovind, 14th President of India. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act came into force from which date? Answer: the 31st of October 2019. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act contains how many sections, parts and schedules? Answer: 103 sections, 14 parts and 5 schedules. How many state laws were revoked? How many new laws were introduced? How many state laws will remain unaffected? Answer: 153 state laws were revoked. 106 central laws were introduced. 166 state laws remained as such. The Jammu and Kashmir UT will be governed as per provisions of which article of Indian Constitution? Answer: Article 239A. The Jammu and Kashmir UT will function just like which UT of India? Answer: Puducherry. The bill was passed in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha by how many votes? Answer: Rajya Sabha 125 yes 61 no. Lok Sabha 370 yes 70 no. Which articles of Indian Constitution were revoked before the enactment of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019? Answer: Article 35A and Article 370. Who revoked Article 35A and Article 370? Answer: the President of India. Jammu and Kashmir UT will have how many legislative assembly seats? Answer: 114. Earlier there were 107 legislative assembly seats in Jammu and Kashmir state. What will be the strength of Council of Ministers in Legislative Assembly? Answer: 10% of the total members including Chief Minister. Section 53. The Legislative Council was abolished in Jammu and Kashmir under which section of Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019? Answer: Section 57. 1. Which act of Indian Constitution will give equal property rights to women in Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: Hindu Succession Act 2005. The creation of UT of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh is mentioned in which section of the act? Answer: Section 4. Jammu and Kashmir UT. Section 3 Ladakh UT. What will be the duration of Legislative Assembly in Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: 5 years. Section 17. Which section deals with official languages of Jammu and Kashmir UT? Answer: Section 47. Which section contains provisions regarding Lieutenant Governor? Answer: Section 14. 1. Which section deals with High Court of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: Section 75. High Court of J&K to function as High Court of Ladakh UT as well. Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir can make all laws in state list except in which area? Answer: Police and Public Order. Section 31. Number of seats in Lok Sabha for Kashmir Division and Jammu Division are? Answer: 3 for Kashmir Division and 2 for Jammu Division. Reservation for ST/SC is mentioned in which section? Answer: Section 14. Lieutenant Governor can nominate how many female members in Legislative Assembly? Answer: 0 to women, as per Section 15, if there is not enough representation of women in Legislative Assembly. Ranbir Penal Code of Jammu and Kashmir Constitution was replaced by? Answer: Indian Penal Code. UT of Ladakh will be governed by? Answer: Lieutenant Governor. Which section of Act was amended in January 2021? Answer: Section 13. How many districts are in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh UT? Answer: J&K 20, Ladakh 2.